Hello guys, it's Habib here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to transfer airtime from one SIM card to another. So let's assume you have a friend and you've short airtime, so you needed a help because you didn't have any chere on you, meaning any money or cash on you. So he has a lot of airtime and you wanted him to share it with you because you don't want to use his mobile phone to call anyone. Okay, so with this process you can use his phone, and transfer airtime from your mobile phone to his phone. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, welcome back. As I said, today I'm going to share with you how to transfer an airtime from one mobile phone to another. I have a short story, before I head on. Previously we used to stay with our busy mothers. At least, guys, give a shout out to your mother, because our mothers has been great to our life so far. They've done a lot, to us reaching this place. So I think you should dedicate a small time and give a shout out to your mom in the comment section down below. They've been these busy women, and they have a lot of airtime because they have a lot of business partners to call, and mostly they don't know nothing concerning this mobile phone. So sometimes they end up calling us to come and help them with the calls and putting in airtime and other stuff. Mostly I have friends who take advantage of that and also steal some of the airtime from their mother's phone to their mobile phone because their moms are ignorant. They don't know anything about that. So if you've been one of them who has done that before, guys, say who to yourself. That's just by the way. So now let's head up onto our dialer. Each and everyone watching, whatever you are watching, just leave it in the comment section down below. Yeah. So when you open your dialer, hit on *198 hash, then call. That's the code for transferring airtime from one mobile phone to another. I said airtime. Then 1. If this is your first time, you have to activate, so you hit on 1. But if this is not your first time, then you have to head on to transfer. So let's hit 1. So after activating or before activating, you have to enter some specific code. So before you'll be able to transfer from one mobile phone to another phone, both the phones have to get one code. So before I'll be able to transfer it to you, I have to use the same code which you are also using, not the mobile money code. This is a different code that you are going to set just to be able to transfer airtime for each other. So when you set your code, that's either maybe 1 2 3 4 or any of the codes that you want, then you are good to go. So make sure the other phone that you are sending the airtime to, that person also has the same code, and that person has also activated this offer or this same transferring of airtime. So after the activating, then you go back to the same code 198 hash, then hit up call. So after hitting it up, then now you choose the second one, which is the transfer. Now we are in the process of transferring airtime from one mobile phone to another, but I guess it's not our mom's phone, right? Don't do that on your mom's phone. Yeah, shout out to our moms out there. Then let's hit on transfer, which is option 2. So when you hit on transfer, you will see enter receiver MSISDN, meaning the receiver's number. That's in short. Don't go and waste your time knowing the meaning of these abbreviations or initials. So let's hit on the number. When you hit on the number you are transferring the airtime to, just hit it up. So after hitting up the number, the telephone number that you are sending the airtime to, then now the amount. Here is where it gets critical. If you are not careful here, you might cancel and you will not be able to do it. So here they said amount. So if you are in Ghana, you are sending into Ghana cedis, so you hit up on 1. If you are sending 1 cedi, 50 pesos. So let's assume you are sending 50 pesos. So here the amount, you hit on 0. You hit on 0, then you send. Then now you come to the decimal side, which is the coins here, in Ghana. So enter decimal value. Then here you enter 5. So in general, it is 0.5, which is 50 pesos. Okay. Then after that, you enter the pin. So the same pin that you guys are sharing just for the transferring of airtime. So after entering the pin, then you are good to go. You just do everything and the airtime will move quickly. But one thing that I want you guys to know is now the minimum of transferring airtime is 1 Ghana cedis, not 50 pesos. But I just use 50 pesos just to show you something. So let's assume you are sending 1 cedi 50 pesos. How will you do it? Yeah, the amount you put 1 there, and when you hit it up the decimal side you put 5 there, meaning 1.5. Simple as ABCD, which is 1 cedi 50 pesos. I think this video is educative. Kindly like, subscribe and hit notification bell icon if you learn something from it, so that whenever I do videos like this you'll be the first person to be notified. Yeah, I haven't forgotten, I have a friend from Uganda who asked me a question concerning the free browsers. So I have a special video dedicated for you, so keep on supporting the channel, and it will just be a small video, and also enlighten some of my colleagues who also, their country is eligible to use the free browsers. It makes sense, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, so that whenever I do videos like this you'll be the first person to be notified. How far with the harmattan in your country? How are you coping with it? I think today the weather is here cool, so I leave you in peace. Salam.